Okay, guys, for our writing today, you guys are going to be working on your introduction for your persuasive essay. I've seen your most of your three topics, your 3 points that you're bringing in. So today we're going to be talking about your introduction. Okay, so think about your introduction, your opinion piece, like when I call you guys to the carpet and I give you my mini lesson and I bring you in. We start talking about it. I give you guys some bit of information to kind of draw you in. And then I say, okay, here's what I want to teach you. Here's the teaching point. Okay. That's going to be what your thesis is. That's like your teaching point. It's letting the reader know what you are going to be talking about in your essay. Okay. So the start of your essay, that's what's going to draw me, your reader, or whoever is your audience in. And then I know what is going to happen throughout your essay. I have an idea of what you're going to talk about. And to start it off, you might do something like I'm going to ask a question, maybe even give some facts or something else, some background information that the reader might not know. Um, And one of the most important pieces of your introduction is going to be giving a clear and focused thesis or the topic or the main point that you want to get across. Okay. So after you do that, you want to draw your readers in a little more and ask them a question like, or should you, if when you complete that sentence, you are or if you're asking should you and you're going to say take care of your dog or be respectful of the environment or earth, and then answer your question, you answer that question, and that is going to be the introduction of your essay. And you need to try to say that in one sentence. It does not necessarily have to be long. It could be something that's kind of short, and your goal is to get it in and get to your point. So for mine, remember we were talking about having more recycling at Park Lawn. Okay, that's what we were talking about. And so I might start off mine with my introductory paragraph. I might say something like, "Have you looked around and seen garbage around Park Lawn?" That's going to kind of give you, my reader, an idea of what we're going to be talking about: garbage around Park Lawn. So have you looked around and seen garbage at Park Lawn? Yeah, I'm going to ask a question. And then I might give just a little bit of a story. I could say something like, if so, you should think about, or you should think about having more recycling at our school. I can give a little story. I can give something that really stands out to you because you can kind of relate. You can say, I have seen students as well as adults walk by the trash and not even pick it up. It would be so simple to bend down and pick up the trash. I feel that there should be more recycling at Park Lawn. So I could type that in as my introductory paragraph. That is going to bring in my audience. That's going to bring you in. And that way you can relate to what I am trying to say. I can maybe even persuade you into thinking the same way. And it's a 4 to 5 sentence introductory paragraph that will be there for to draw in my audience. Okay, so now I have added my rest of my introductory paragraph. So here's my question: have you looked around and seen garbage at Park Lawn? If so, you should think about having more recycling at our school. And then I give a little, you know, background information, a little story that kind of brings you in, that kind of hooks you in. I have seen students and adults walk by trash and not pick it up. It would be so simple to bend down and pick it up. I feel there should be more recycling at Park Lawn. So now you know as a reader that my persuasive essay is going to talk a little bit about that. And then I've got my introductory paragraph. I've got my other paragraphs here that that we've already written. My three paragraphs that are all indented. So I've got three good paragraphs, and it's referring to recycling at Park Lawn. Okay, so you need to develop your introductory paragraph, come up with your good thesis. That's what you're going to get your reader in. You're going to hook them in. Okay? If you have any questions, let me know.